In this video, I'm just going to show you why your content character is always behind schedule. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to use Arvow to dominate a new niche in 30 single days. Okay, so we are using this software called Arvow. So this is a software. If I go into the dashboard, this is how the dashboard looks like. You have three different articles to produce right here. One is the SEO article, news articles, YouTube to blog post. So we have this. You can convert your YouTube URL to the blog post. You can convert a news trending keyword into a news story, and from a single keyword you can write an entire blog article. Now how we're going to use Arvow to dominate new niche in 30 days. Now what we're going to do is we're going to the integrations and first click on create integration, click on WordPress, download plugin, click on download plugin, and once you download plugin, go into the add plugins, click on upload plugin. Here you need to upload that plugin, click on connect. It will be connected to the Arvow dashboard. Once it's done, go into the feeds, and here click on create feed, set up keyword. Here enter your competitor website. Once you enter competitor website, it will find relevant keywords. Once you did that, go into the campaigns, click on new campaign, and run your automation campaign. And here go into the configurations, set this up for every 6 hours. That means we are generating one article every 6 hours, which means it's something around 3 to 4 articles a day, single day. Click on start auto blog, and that's it. In 30 days you will see the impressions and clicks growing up. Now you need to monitor one more thing, because AI hallucinates as the rollout updates. If you get the rollout updates, in order to prevent that, you need to do some human touch in the backend. Not much, not every time, but you need to monitor 404s or uncrawled pages so that you can go and retype it or regenerate the article, or maybe change inside the Arvow dashboard itself, and make it rank, make it crawled. So that's how we do it. That's how you dominate a new niche in 30 days.